Shabbat Shalom everyone. Shabbat Parashat ראה. ראה אנוכי נותן לפניכם היום ברכה וקללה. There's a curse or there's a blessing, and God forbid there could be a curse. And for many years we've been living in a very privileged time of history, one of the best times of history for Jews, and we felt a lot about the bracha. And this year we also we sensed the curse, we sensed the klala, we saw it was a curse. Bracha klala, this one was definitely a klala. But we need to remember that it's part of the story. They come together, and the Parashat tells us if we choose God's ways, then there'll be a bracha, there'll be a blessing. Choosing God's ways, we need to see the context, the broader context of the Parashat that the Parashat gives us. Because straight after that, the Parashat starts speaking about a lot of mitzvot that are related with Jerusalem, related with Bet HaMikdash. And the Parashat features as Hamakom Asher Yivchar Hashem, the place that God will choose. It hasn't yet been chosen. That's a whole different story. When does God choose Jerusalem? How does that happen? But that's something else. But the Parashat deals a lot with that. We're in the 7 weeks between Tisha B'Av and Rosh Hashanah that are called Sheva de Nechamta. Sheva de Nechamta, the haftarot of these 7 weeks, are a series of 7 haftarot that are related also to the parasha, but in many ways to the charm of the year, from Tisha B'Av, the destruction, to Rosh Hashanah, and they're all about comforting Am Yisrael. The comforting of Am Yisrael has got to do with Yerushalim. We say in Ratzeva Chalitzenu on Shabbat, והראינו אדוני אלוהינו בנחמת ציון עירך ובבניין ירושלים עיר קודשך. We want to be comforted. What comforts us? I'm sitting here in a base that was severely attacked on Simchat Torah, one of the places that the Hamas spearheaded, and I'm sitting outside the shul, which is going under construction, renovations, because of Simchat Torah, like many areas of the space. I can still see remnants all over the place. Can't remember how many months later now. And want to be comforted. What are we going to be comforted? Because the base is going to be redone, everything's going to be nice. It's not enough. It doesn't work. What comforts us? What can really comfort us? בבניין ירושלים ננוחם. בבניין ירושלים ננוחם, and the rebuilding of Jerusalem. The Jerusalem, not because it's a beautiful city, because Jerusalem means Am Yisrael living up to what we need to be, to what we should be, to our destiny. Am Yisrael being what Am Yisrael is, what an amazing world that would be. And when we're able to push things forward towards that, to take part in bringing things forward, so that it's really the world is what it is, or lives to be what it should be, then everything that we've gone past on the way now comes into some kind of other proportion. And we can understand what it was, how it was. And we understand at the end of the parasha, one of the last mitzvot that mentions about Bet HaMikdash, שלושת הרגלים. 3 פעמים בשנה יראה כל זכורך פני האדון אלוקיו במקום אשר יבחר. Again, the place that God will choose, we'll go, then we'll celebrate, everything will be festive. Not because we want to have a good meal and in Jerusalem with friends. That's a minor aspect of it. But then Am Yisrael will be living the way we should be. That's when Torah mitzvot are really in context as a nation, the nation living up to what it should be. בעזרת השם, והראינו אדוני אלוהינו בנחמת ציון עירך ובבניין ירושלים עיר קודשך. And may we be able to take part in helping that, take some kind of minor part in that. That's, wow, amazing thing in life to be part of helping the Nechamat Tzion happen. Shabbat Shalom.